Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FinStop. Friends, now I am here with another multi-bagger stock from chemical sector, that is Alkyl Amines Chemicals Limited. Alkyl Amines was incorporated in 1979 by Mr. Yogesh Kothari. It is a leading manufacturer of aliphatic amines in India. Aliphatic amines are products derived from ammonia by displacement of hydrogen in the ammonia molecule by other radicals such as methyl, ethyl and propyl. Alkyl amines mainly manufactures aliphatic amines, mixed amines, amine derivatives and specialty chemicals. This Alkyl Amines Chemical Company is a multi-bagger stock. It has risen tremendously by 376% in the last 1 year and it has huge potential to become future multi-bagger stock. So friends, let us analyze this stock completely and in the end I am going to give you levels and targets to buy this stock for both short-term and long-term investment. Guys, you can follow me on Telegram channel where you can find important updates on stocks on daily basis. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The video links are in the description box. Also friends, I suggest you to watch my playlist on multi-bagger stocks where I have made several videos on Praj Industries, Deepak Nitride, Laurus Labs, etc. The video link is in the description box and also in the I-bar section. If you haven't watched them, please go and watch it. Friends, please hit the like button. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Let us see about the company details. Alkyl Amines is a global supplier of amines and amine based chemicals to the pharmaceutical, agrochemical, rubber and water treatment industries. Alkyl has more than 41 years expertise in amine technology and the number of employees are 585. The company was established in the year 1979 and its headquarters is located at Mumbai. Alkyl Amines has manufacturing facilities at 3 sites. Out of 3 sites, there are 15 production plants at Patalaganga and Kurkum in Maharashtra and Dahej in Gujarat. The company has an R&D center at Hadaspur, Pune. Friends, if you see the top management, Mr. Yogesh M. Kothari is the MD and CEO of Alkyl Amines Chemicals Limited. He has got more than 35 years of experience. In his past career, Mr. Kothari has worked as chairman for Diamines and Chemicals Limited and vice president at Indian Chemical Council. So friends, with his vast experience in chemical industry, we can expect that he would lead Alkyl Amines to become a dominant player in chemical industry. Now let's see its business model. Alkyl Amines works in 6 verticals. They are aliphatic amines, in which they produce C1-C6 amines, specialty chemicals. They are marketing representative for Degussa and Roham and Haas, and they also produce ethylene amines. They has controlling interest in Diamine and Chemicals Limited, the only ethyl amine business in India, and they also produce amine derivatives, specialty amines, amides, chlorides, and they also give contract manufacturing services for various companies. Alkyl Amines is a total service provider from R&D to commercial production for pharmaceutical and agrochemical intermediates. Alkyl Amines has expertise in bioprocess technology. They provide contract research and development of novel bioprocess products and pathways. Alkyl Amines Company is specialized in producing aliphatic amines, amine derivatives and specialty amines. In the value chain of chemical process, there are 4 steps. One is petrochemicals, basic chemicals, specialties and performance chemicals. Alkyl Amines mainly works on specialty chemical products. Alkyl Amines finds application in various products and markets. They are pharma, agro, dyes, rubber chemicals, surfactants, foundry chemicals, explosives, water treatment, textile auxiliaries, photographic chemical, paints and coatings, polymer, petroleum and petrochemicals and specialty chemicals. So friends, as Alkyl Amines is a well diversified and its business has various applications in several industries, we can say that business model of Alkyl Amines is excellent. Now let's see the past returns given by this company. In the past 1 year, the stock has given mind-blowing returns of 376.75%. That means if you have invested 1 lakh 1 year ago, it would have become 4,76,000. See the kind of returns given by this company in just 1 year. Friends, if you see the 5-year return, the stock has given tremendous returns of 3,323%. That means the stock has multiplied your capital by 33 times. If you see the maximum chart pattern, the stock has risen tremendously by 40,742%. That means if you have invested money in January 2000, it would be multiplied by 400 times. So friends, this stock is a 400 times multi-bagger stock and still it has got huge potential to give multi-bagger returns in future. Now let's see its financials. Alkyl Amines market capitalization is 22,398 crores and its long-term debt is very low. It is just 22.17 crores and it has got free cash flow of 207.84 crores. Friends, if we see the profit and loss statement, the total revenue has grown from 50,177 crores in financial year 2017 to 1,24,939 crores in financial year 2021. That means there is an increase of 2.5 times. If you see the net profit, it has grown from 5,036 crores in financial year 2017 to 29,534 crores in financial year 2021. That means net profit has increased by 6 times. If you see the gross revenue in crores in both domestic and international charts, domestic has increased from 441 crores in financial year 2016 to 1168 crores in financial year 2021, whereas international sales has increased from 97 crores to 222 crores and revenue has increased over a CAGR of 20.91% in the 5 years. If you see the EBITDA percentage of net sales, it has increased from 20.3% in financial year 2016 to 36% in financial year 2021. If you see the PAT percentage of net sales, it has increased from 10.7% to 24% in financial year 2021. Friends, these percentage numbers are excellent. If you see the debt has decreased from 108 crores in financial year 2016 to 47 crores in financial year 2021. The net worth of the company has increased from 199 crores in financial year 2016 to 792 crores in financial year 2021. That means it has jumped by 4 times. If you see the ROCE ratio, it has consistently increased from 29.7% in financial year 2016 to 49% in financial year 2021. This is excellent number. If you see the return on net worth annualized, it has increased from 25.2% in financial year 2016 to 37% in financial year 2021. This is excellent number. So friends, by looking at sales growth and profit growth and ROC ratio, we can say that company financials are excellent. Now let's see the shareholding pattern. The promoters has 74.09% and foreign institutional investors has 1.03% and non-institutional investors like corporate bodies and retail investors has 23.77%. As promoters are holding more than 70%, they are very confident on this company, so we can expect good growth in this company in future. Now let's see the competitive advantages to this company. Alkyl Amines has wide palette of more than 100 plus products. All these are in-house products. Alkyl is a global leader in ethyl amines. Alkyl is one of the leading players globally in DEHA, diethyl hydroxyl amine, and Alkyl is one of the largest producer of DMA HCl, acetonitrile and various specialty amines. And Alkyl is very strong in commercialization of processes through in-house team. And Alkyl has strong reputation as a reliable and ethical supplier. So friends, by looking at all these factors, Alkyl Amine is already a global leader in various products and it has got strong R&D team and it has got excellent brand image. All these factors will give excellent competitive advantage to alkyl amines. Now let's see the key risk associated to alkyl amines. The first risk is supply chain disruption. If there is any disruption in the supply chain, it would impact the sales of this company. And the second major risk is increased competition from both global and domestic players. There are several competitors like Archit Organosis Limited, AVA Products India Limited, Balaji Amines Limited, BASF India Limited, etc. And the third major risk is raw material price fluctuations. Any increment in the raw material price will impact the profit margin of alkyl amines. Now let's see the future growth prospects of this company. Company is well positioned to scale up its business. Alkyl has substantial and sustained improvement in market position and Alkyl is already a dominant player in various products. The growth in chemical industry, the China Plus One policy, and Alkyl is planning to invest approximately 350 crores for enhancement of capacity for aliphatic amines at Kurkum and Patalaganga sites in Maharashtra, and the capacity will be added in next 15 to 18 months. So friends, all these factors will create huge growth opportunities for alkyl amines in future. So we can say that the future outlook of alkyl amines is very bright. Now let's see the valuation of this company. Alkyl price to earnings value is 75.84, whereas industrial PE is 24.12. That means stock is overvalued. If you see the price to book value, Alkyl PB is 28.26, whereas sector PB is 3.27. That means stock is highly overvalued. Guys, people are expecting huge growth in this company. That's why the stock is trading at higher price. Any correction, please find it as an opportunity and invest in this stock for long term. Now let's see some levels and targets for this company. Friends, I am using Zerodha platform for chart analysis. The stock is presently trading at 4,382 and its RSI is 66 and it is looking strong. The stock has given recently breakout at July 21st and presently it is getting profit booked. So friends, let's see some buy levels and targets for both positional traders and long-term investors. The current market price is 4,382 and its buy levels are 4,180, 4,000 and 3,920. And targets are, target 1 is 4,550, target 2 is 4,750, target 3 is 5,500. You can keep stop loss at 3,800 and the time period you have to hold to achieve these targets are 3 to 12 months. Friends, if you are a positional trader, invest your amount partially at each and every buy level and hold for 3 to 12 months to achieve these targets. If you are a long-term investor, you can buy the stock at each and every dip and each and every buy levels and hold it for at least 10 to 15 years. It can give multi-bag returns in future. So friends, company has got excellent management team, well diversified portfolio and excellent business model, and its financials are strong. It has got excellent competitive advantages and its future growth outlook is very bright. We can say that Alkyl Amines is the best stock in the chemical sector for long-term investment. Friends, the levels, targets and stock recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking an investment decision. Friends, I will come up with another interesting multi-bagger stock in coming days. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.